First, install GoPro Labs firmware on your MAX2. Then scan these two QR codes to set up an HDRI preset, which will appear under Photos. With the new preset selected, you can begin a bracketed exposure at any time. 8 to 11 exposures will be captured at about 2 stops apart. You can remotely trigger these captures using a BLE remote or just pressing the shutter button as I showed here in this demo. The HDRI images will be collected in about 30 seconds. Once complete, you can switch to video mode or leave it in HDRI to take the next image. After scanning your environments, simply import your SD card into your computer, return to the web page where you found the QR codes, and you can use that to compute your HDRI file. The on-screen preview allows you to see the dynamic range of this image you've just created, but better is to download the .hdr file for use in any of your favorite 3D environment tools. So here I have a very simple object inside Blender, and I'm going to completely light the scene with an HDR file from my MAX2 camera. The HDR files add a level of realism for both your lighting and reflections. Think of using MAX2 as like collecting room tone, but for your light sources. This is just another creative use for MAX2 in GoPro Labs firmware, showcasing the flexibility of this new camera product.